So guys, in this video we are going to solve this day 8 from the Advent of Cyber 2 of TryHackMe. So this is also belongs to networking, and this is about the Nmap. So Nmap is a scanner which scan for the live host and also open ports and closed ports and the filtered ports. You can see Nmap, the TCP three-way handshake, SYN, SYNAC and DAC, and you can also read this theory. I will leave it up to you. You can also use the timing to get the faster results, and they have also included a theory about this additional scan types: aggressive scan, OS detection and the port numbers, range of port numbers and the service scanning, etc. And they have given you some firewalls like Snort and Suricata, and they have also showed you that the Nmap is a noisy tool. So this IDS will detect the Nmap scans, so that's why care should be taken when performing the Nmap. So if you have the permission to scan the network, then only you should do with this Nmap. So let's dive into these questions. So when was this not created? You need to Google this. You cannot get information from the this machine. So after googling, I have found that 1998 was the year, which is also my birthday year. So that is the first question answer. So next question: using Nmap on the IP address specified, what are the port numbers are the three services running? So let's do the Nmap scan. Nmap minus and no DNS, and PN for don't check other live hosts, and do the aggressive scan, and P hyphen, so to scan all the ports and the IP address specified. So this takes some time. Okay, now let's stop for now and let's do normal top ports. So I have already done this machine and wrote some notes on this. See, I started to save all these write-ups in a cherry tree. You can see here as a tree like format: TryHackMe, Advent of Cyber 2 and then day 8 Nmap. So you can, in this way, if you want to come back and see what this room was, so you can just simply go through your notes and also use these tags like hash Nmap, port scan and scan. So when you are searching for this in our node contents, you can just type for hash Nmap and you'll get all the rooms related to this Nmap. So it's about to complete. So the scan was complete and you can see there is a port 80 and 42s and 3389, which is RDP. So on the port 80 it's running Apache HTTP daemon 2.4.29 and the OS is Ubuntu, and we got the HTTP generator and server header Apache and titled as TBFC internal block, and port 2222 as a SSH, and you can see 3389 as a RDP. So you also get the service info OS Linux using the Linux kernel. Okay, now let's see, go back to the questions and what they have asked. They have mentioned that we need to provide the port numbers in increasing increasing order. You can see 80, 2222 and 3389. So that is the answer for this question. And run a scan and provide the PN flag to ignore ICMP being used to determine if the host is up. So we have already used this PN flag. Experiment different settings such as A and SV. So this A stands for aggressive or the all scan. It would also perform the version. You can see the version. So if you did not give this all, you can just simply give the SV. You get the almost same result. So let's see other question. Meanwhile, so use nmap to determine the name of the Linux distribution that is running, what is reported as the most likely distribution to be running. So it's Ubuntu we have got from the scan results. Now they are telling us to do the nmap scripting engine to retrieve the HTTP title of the web server. So we got the from nmap version scanning that we have got the HTTP title. So let's do the NSC script, and we need to locate the NSC scripts, right? Locate.nsc. So this gives you all the nmap scripts. Now I want to grep for HTTP. So these are all HTTP, and now in this I want to grep for title. So I have got the exact nmap script. So let's copy this and let's clear the screen. Nmap don't do DNS resolve and don't scan other live hosts. I mean, don't check for whether the live host is alive or not, and port 80, and we need to say script argument to determine the script we are going to use. Sorry. And now we are going to copy the IP address again and paste it in here. If you hit enter, then this script will be performed on the port 80 and we will get the result. So you can see this is the same result we have got from the version scanning. You can use the nmap script to get the HTTP title in case if you did not get it from the version scanning. So it's internal block. What they have asked is what do we think this website might be used for. So first I pasted this whole line, then I came to know that what type of the website might be used for. So it's a blog website to store some blog posts. So you can see the version scanning is completed. We get only the version. So this aggressive scanning by default it uses some nmap scripts to determine some more information. So now use different scripts against the remaining services to discover any further information about them. So let's go ahead and try SSH group for SSH. So SSH brute force. Okay, I don't have any worries now. So okay, you guys try the remaining scripts on those ports SSH and RDP. I will leave it to you. So that's all about this day 8 from the advent of Cyber 2. That is about the nmap. We have seen different options to get the different information like port scanning, enumeration scanning, and we also use the nmap scripting engine to get the information we want.